We're at the Naked Nijo event where the Nijo Castle is open for the night up until 9 p.m. no?
Parang.
So we bought some ticket para ma-experience si Nijo Castle for the night. May excited na bat. Ayan, ito. Kaway ka. So the Nijo is available since October 31 up until December 7. Naked Beats in Nijo Castle. So I think para siyang, wala siyang show, no? I think open lang siya ng gabi. So,
Open siya ng gabi, tapos may light.
may lights, no?
May light. Kaya tignan mo ulit kasi.
Whoa! Oh, so yun, merong mga ravens, I think, na nilagay sila, the crows. So grabe din tong Nijo Castle kasi intricate ang kanyang details. Wow! Ay wow! Ay, grabe yung Japan. So hindi na mapalabas yung buwan, so gumawa sila ng buwan. Yan o.
Look at the moon.
Yan kami. Yes. So, ito sa likod namin yung parang, ano ba to? Nijo.
This is
Yan
the
yung Nijo Castle. Yan na yun.
And then we go. There's another one. Parang ano pa lang yan.
So, nasa bungod pa lang kami daw.
Then the next is the scene before the moon rises.
Oh, arigato. Kuha ka. Teratis. Commercial.
There's a preview.
So, may freebie siyang
Ayan.
kung ano man to.
Parang ganun.
Nasa shade.
So we're now at the next part, which is the Ninamaru Garden light up. It says here that this illumination highlights the intrinsic beauty of the Ninamaru Garden's design.
So far okay naman yung experience.
Yes.
Maganda lang kasi kahit hindi kita yung mga tao dahil madilim.
Yeah.
So far, okay ang
Ganda,
naked
naked.
meets sa Nijo Castle
It's limited for a limited time.
for a limited time only.
Only until December.
Yan. So, look niyo yung mga yun.
We've been here before, pero when you're
Iba
here,
sa paggabi. Ayun.
you go in sa loob ng castle. Pero ngayon, you're out here exploring the wilds. Exploring the grounds from like a different perspective kasi may lights. So this is the cone Tay, which is illuminated with amber and golden lights reminiscent of autumn, creating a dreamlike scene reflected on the water surface. Yeah. Ganda. Yung next one is the Seryuen Garden light up. Sabi dito, at Seryuen Garden, the autumn foliage is lit up in vibrant colors accompanied by a subtle fragrance inspired by the 7 flowers of autumn, inviting guests to experience the beauty of the season with all 5 senses.
With all 5 senses.
And maamoy na siya.
Pero grabe
We're
na, amoy
approaching
na
the
nga
area
namin.
and
And
smells good.
iba yung dating ng
Smells
pulang
so
puno
good.
pag
with the smell. Look, it's so pretty.
pero ang ganda talaga.
Wow.
Yan, iba yung dating ng pulang puno sa gabi pala. Ha? So ito exhibit na ano.
This is called the Moon Viewing Ikebana Garden. The art of Ikebana or flower arrangement cherished by Emperor Go Mizuno. No? Flourished under the guidance of Senko Ikenobu II, a leading figure in the world of floral art. Ikebana is flower arrangement. Meron ng mga shops. The people will go here. They will here. So you can sit on the and watch.
Okay na. Bolang kristal.
Bolang kristal.
Ay, galing. Iba-ibang panel, no? So, it's a light show. Wow. Oh, yun ulit. So, at the end of the experience, ay merong mga booth that will be or that offers food and refreshments.
Can we see if
So,
850 and 850.
ayan siya. So, marami rin. Maraming pamimilian.
Do you want to try any
siya 100 castles in Japan daw. So we will try this first one.
There's another one. Yay!
Okay.
Look.
And
Okay.
this one.
Right, so we're done with the
So we're done with the naked meats in Nijojo.
Naked Meats ni Jojo Castle.
No, Nijo
Ganda.
Castle.
It's
So
worth it.
sobrang worth it.
Yes, it
Pero-
costs about 2,300 yen for adults. Syempre may discount for kids. And it runs until December something.
December 7, I think.
Wait, December 3?
12/7 yata.
Around December. So, if you will be in the area, if you'll be in Kyoto, and you want to experience the Jojo Castle at night, this is the opportunity for everyone.
Saka hanggat konti pa yung mga gaijin.
Yes, wala masyadong foreigners. Most of the people here are locals. So,
Yes, so sobrang okay. Ang ibang perspective, I think. Tsaka ma-appreciate mo yung puno pala pag gabi. Tapos may kulay.
and
So,
may ano siya, may
may mga light show na
significance
rin.
naman kasi siya na during the old times, they watch the moon. It's like a form of entertainment siguro ng time na yun.
So
Don't
far,
appreciate the
going
moon
back,
as much.
sobrang unique niya. Usually, pag gantong oras sa Japan, tulog na or quiet na. Pero dito, bustling at buhay na buhay yung event. So, kung meron kayong time, kung meron kayong opportunity, don't hesitate to engage and experience the naked meats at Nijo Castle in Kyoto.